OurDream AI is the kind of AI companion app that sounds best if you want more than a quick chatbot. The appeal is not only that you can send messages to a virtual girlfriend. The appeal is that the experience is supposed to feel like a small private story world, with characters, mood, customization, images, voice-style interaction, and a premium layer that may use credits or coins depending on the feature.
That is why the real question is not, is OurDream AI legit? The better question is, does it give you enough control and continuity to justify upgrading? If you are new to AI girlfriend apps, here is the simplest way to think about OurDream. Candy AI is often the polished mainstream choice. Prompt Chan is easier to describe as image generator first. Louvre AI is usually interesting for scenario control.
Lovescape leans into custom companion building. OurDream AI sits in the middle as a fantasy companion platform. It should be judged on how well it connects story, chat, character design, and paid features into one experience. If those pieces do not connect, it becomes another app with a nice homepage and a forgettable chat window. The first buyer test is the opening conversation.
Do not immediately pay for extras. Pick a character or create one, send normal messages, and see how the app handles tone. A good OurDream session should let you move from casual conversation into roleplay without feeling like the bot is ignoring context. If you say you prefer slower pacing, does the character respect that?
If you describe a location or a shared detail, does it come back later in a natural way? Memory does not have to be perfect, but the illusion breaks quickly when every message feels detached from the last one. The second test is story control. Some users do not want a daily emotional companion. They want scenes, fantasy setups, or recurring roleplay worlds. This is where OurDream can make sense.
The app should help you guide the story without forcing you to write every detail yourself. The problem with many companion apps is that they either over-control the scene so you feel like a passenger, or under-control it so you feel like you are prompting a blank model. The sweet spot is collaborative. You give direction, the companion adds momentum, and the scene feels personal without becoming chaotic.
The third test is media quality. Images and voice can make an AI companion feel more alive, but they can also expose weakness. If the character looks inconsistent, if generated images do not match the persona, or if premium media costs pile up too fast, the feature becomes a novelty instead of a reason to stay. Before upgrading, test whether the media features support the character you actually want.
If your goal is mostly image creation, compare OurDream with PromptChan or XTs. If your goal is story immersion, media only needs to be good enough to strengthen the fantasy. It does not need to win against every dedicated generator. The fourth test is DreamCoins, or paid usage. The name of the currency matters less than the behavior it creates. Ask 3 questions. What can I do for free?
Which features require a paid plan? And which actions consume credits faster than expected? Many people get disappointed because they judge the app from the free preview, then realize the experience they wanted lies behind a different tier. That does not make the app bad, but it means you should test slowly. If you only want occasional chat, a cheaper or simpler app may be enough.
If you want frequent story sessions with media, you need to calculate the real monthly cost. Privacy and billing deserve a calm check too. AI companion platforms can feel intimate, but they are still products. Do not share sensitive personal details just because the conversation feels private. Look for cancellation terms, payment renewal details, and whether the app gives you enough confidence before you attach a main card. This is especially important if you are testing multiple apps at once, because small subscriptions and credit packs can stack up quickly. Where does OurDream AI win?
It is strongest for users who want a balanced fantasy companion rather than a pure image tool or a basic chatbot. If you enjoy building a character, returning to a scenario, and having the app carry some of the emotional or romantic tone, OurDream belongs on your shortlist. It may not be the simplest beginner pick, and it may not be the most specialized visual generator, but balance is the point.
Where could it disappoint? If the memory feels weak, if the premium features are unclear, or if the app pushes you to pay before you understand the experience, pause. Also, if you mostly want fast, polished chat with minimal setup,
Candy AI may feel more direct. If you want image control first, PromptChan may be the cleaner comparison.
If you want a custom companion builder with a different feel, Lovescape or Darlink may be worth checking next. My verdict is this. OurDream AI is worth testing if you want story, fantasy, and companion chat in one place. But it should pass a short trial before you upgrade. Test the chat, test a recurring detail, test one visual feature, and check the pricing rules before spending real money.
If those 4 checks feel good, OurDream can be a strong AI girlfriend option for 2026. If one of them fails, do not force it. The best app is the one that fits your use case, not the one with the longest feature list. If you want my current recommended starting point, check the link in the description, compare it with OurDream, and choose the one that still feels good after the first session.